We're now passing our username to our user panel. We also want to pass the avatar that we have in our user data to it. So within our trigger, within the span, we'll change the username path to user.displayname, and we'll destructure the user property from state. And within the span, we'll just put this on multiple lines. We'll put an image component right above the name, and the source for it will be user.photoURL. We'll give it a spaced property set to right and a prop of avatar as well to make it an avatar image. And we'll bring in the image component from Semantic UI React. And we'll just bring it within our grid row, our entire header. We can save our file. If we take a look at our drop-down now, we should see the avatar that we have for our currently authenticated user.